Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix joining friends game session error GTA 5 on PS4, PS5, Xbox, and PC. So the first thing that you want to do when you encounter this problem is to go ahead and check your internet connection. This happens most of the time because you don't have a secure or strong internet connection. So if you are using something like a Wi-Fi connection, you can maybe try to use an Ethernet cable or a LAN cable to go ahead and improve your connection. From there, you then want to go ahead and restart your device. Restarting your device is the easiest way to go ahead and fix this problem. And from there, the next thing that you want to do is to simply go ahead and make sure that your game is up to date. Having your friends joining an outdated game will go ahead and also cause this problem to occur. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.